In the 1900s, MG was one of the most desirable sports car manufacturers around. Their motto was quite simple: keep it light, keep it rear-wheel drive, and preferably keep it two-door. Over the years, MG has been jumping from one conglomerate umbrella to another, and recently they were scooped up by the Chinese giants, that is the SAIC Motor Group. Wanna see what they've been up to?
Yup, not the sleek little sports car you were thinking of. You see, MG, like most other manufacturers, are completely focusing on building crossovers and SUVs for the market that wants it. About a year ago, MG launched the insanely hyped up MG Hector and only launched the EZS EV after that. Now they've come out with this, the MG Hector Plus.
The Hector Plus is MG's joint family SUV. That's right, they've added another row of seats in the back. Yeah, seems confusing because the Hector Plus doesn't look that large compared to the regular Hector.
Because that's true. Technically, the MG Hector Plus isn't that much bigger than the normal MG. The height is the same, the width is the same, and even the wheelbase is the same. The way MG has managed to add the last row of seats is by adding 65mm onto the length of the car.
This helps keep the costs low, and in fact this was one of the biggest shocking things about the Hector when it was launched. MG was able to launch this behemoth at an entry-level price tag of only 12.7 lakhs ex-showroom. Since this is the Hector Plus, it starts at 13.94 lakhs.
So the middle seats have been changed to captain seats, and you do really get the airliner feels out here. And as you can see, the legroom is a lot. I have a lot of space everywhere. The cabin is very wide and it does give a lot of air. I have a sunroof on top of me which opens all the way up till the middle seat, and it just gives you so much space to look at. Let's see the back seat, shall we? Okay, surprisingly 5'11" of me fits over here, but to be honest, you're gonna be looking at children over here, and if you do have a family, this is decent enough space.
The Plus has retained the overall cabin look, and you can clearly see the small inspiration from Tesla. You get the big center tablet with all of the AC controls and other functions integrated to it. The instrument cluster is half analog, half digital, but this matte layering over it makes it a bit difficult to look at sometimes.
Now, MG have incorporated their new artificial intelligence system into the car, which I can activate it by saying this, and it'll actually have a chat with me and not make me feel completely lonely in the car. Take a listen. Hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
How am I looking today?
If only you could see the beautiful yourself from my mirror.
Well, I'm flattered, MG. All in all, the interior is absolutely gorgeous. Leather feels really good. Every place you touch is actually pretty nice, apart from a few scratchy plastics. But I mean, this is not an Audi. What do you expect? Apart from that, it has a really minimalistic design, and everything is where you expect it to be. Very nice place to be.
MG has mildly updated the looks of the Hector Plus, and the small changes have gathered to make the SUV look really striking and imposing. You get massive headlights in the bumper, and the DRLs look even more sharper.
MG Hector Plus, or should I call it MG Hector Plush? It's actually really comfortable to drive. 170 PS, more than enough power to overtake whatever you want. The turbo kicks in at around 2000 RPM and well, gives up at around 3. To be honest, it's more than enough because 170 PS and 350 Newton meters of torque is more than enough for overtaking anything you ever need. You sit really high up, the comfort is next level, the suspension is super plush and very supple. If you want
At low speeds, the car is super quiet. Gearbox is nice and snappy. You sit really confident. Visibility all over is great. All in all, the MG provides you with a great package. Ample space, great interiors and decent performance. For 22 lakhs, it does give you quite a lot of bang for your buck as well. So please do tell us how you feel about the new MG Hector Plus. And would you choose it over its competitors like the Creta or the Seltos? This is your boy Bhavneet signing out. Take care.
This vehicle was provided to us by MG BU Bhandari. They are the only MG dealers in Pune and they have many showrooms spread across the city. They have everything you want from the MG Hector, Hector Plus and also the ZS EV. In fact, they have a charging station inside the showroom to demonstrate on how the charging system works. So if you are in the market to buy a MG Hector, ZS EV or anything else from MG, please do check them out.